If you are attending a protest this week, you will need to watch this to the end. And please share this post with your friends. The police have two new and expanded protest-related police stop and search powers, which you should know about. Both of these are very wide police powers, and they could apply to a wide range of objects you might be carrying to and from a protest or at a protest. Glue, chalk, paint, bike locks, tape, rope, various tools, coffin box, face coverings, scarf, bandana, and a yellow submarine. Let me explain both these protest-related police stop and search powers. The first major change relates to suspicion-based protest-related stop and search powers. Now, under Section 1 of PACE stop and search powers, the police were already allowed to stop, detain and search you if they have reasonable grounds to suspect you are carrying stolen goods or the following prohibited articles: drugs, a weapon, stolen property, something that could be used to commit certain crimes, e.g. burglary, theft, fraud, criminal damage, or illegal fireworks. However, now under expanded Section 1 PACE police powers, amended by the Public Order Act, the police have additional powers to stop and search protesters if they have reasonable grounds to suspect you are carrying something made or adapted or intended for use in the course of or in connection with the following protest offences: willful obstruction of the highway, intentionally or recklessly causing public nuisance, locking on, obstructing major transport works, interfering with the use or operation of key national infrastructure, and causing serious disruption by tunnelling or being present in a tunnel. The second major changes are to suspicion-less based protest-related police stop and search powers. The police already had wide powers to stop and search without reasonable suspicion under existing powers, Section 60 of the Criminal Justice and Public Order Act 1994. Now, under the Public Order Act 2023, the police have the additional power to carry out suspicion-less stop and searches on you in relation to protest-related activity. Where authorised by an inspector or a more senior officer, a uniformed police officer can carry out suspicion-less stop and searches in a particular location for a specified period where the senior officer reasonably believes the following offences may be committed in the area: willful obstruction of the highway, intentionally or recklessly causing public nuisance, locking on, obstructing major transport works, interfering with the use or operation of key national infrastructure, causing serious disruption by tunnelling or being present in a tunnel, or people in the area are carrying prohibited items, an item made or adapted for the intended for use in the course of or in connection with the above protest offences. And the authorisation is necessary to prevent people committing the above offences or carrying prohibited items. Now, the authorisation must apply to specific locations no greater than necessary, and specific period of time no longer again necessary. The authorisation can be enforced for up to 24 hours and may be extended for a further 24 hours if authorised by a superintendent or more senior police officer. And the Public Order Act 2023 also creates a new criminal offence of intentional obstruction during a suspicion-less protest-related stop and search. If you are convicted, you face a maximum sentence of 1 month in prison, a fine of up to £1,000, or both. Remember, all suspicion-based stop and search police powers and all suspicionless stop and search police powers must be lawfully used by the police. And remember too, you have rights during a police stop and search, including at a protest. Feel free to comment, and to know more, follow, like and share.